Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I thought we were gonna cover a new app that was released some days ago, and actually it's by Sony. As you probably know, as a Sony user, Sony has an app called the Imaging Edge, and as you probably know, that is pretty unreliable. It disconnects and it doesn't work. If you're using newer Sony cameras like the FX30, FX3, the A7S3, A7R5 and so on, I will cover all the supported cameras here. I have to wait because the A7 IV is not supported yet. So today I can't really show you how the app works, but I suggest that you go to Teppo Hapoya's video because he has it all covered. You can see what it looks like and how you can use it in the different modes, and yeah, in general you can control your whole camera with it. I think this is what some users has been missing for a lot of years, and with the Xperia phones now and iPhones being so reliable, you can now use your iPhone as a monitor if you want that. The app is called Monitor and Control, and it looks like this. It's released by Sony. Yeah, it has support for the FX3, FX30, A1, A9 III, A7S3, A7R5, and in October they will add support for the A7 IV and the CV-E1. So basically, if you have a newer Sony body, you will be covered. And if you are subscribing to this channel, you have probably seen that I recently was on a Sony Cameras event at Hafjell in Lillehammer in Norway. I was truly inspired after that, and I wanted to make more videos on the channel. So that's why I'm talking about this topic today, because I wanted to inform you guys on that. If you have a newer Sony camera, there is an app for you. It is available right now if you have, of course, one of the cameras that is supported now. Or if you're like me, you have an A7 IV or a CV-E1, we'll have to wait until October. But lucky, October is right around the corner. So I think that was it for this video. I just wanted to give you a heads up on what is new. I think Sony actually listens to us users, because at Sony Cameras we had the opportunity to we were put in groups of 10, and we actually had to give feedback, or we didn't have to, but if you had any you wanted to change in the future on Sony cameras, or from Sony on a general basis, I think that this is one of the points that has been pointed out earlier. I think that was pretty interesting to hear what others expect from future Sony cameras or from future updates. So I think that was all for this video. If you would like more content like this, please leave a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what you want in the future, and I will appreciate it a lot if you would choose to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.